Today, I'm going to present you with a recipe for braised soft tofu, the ultimate champion that's tastier than regular braised tofu and easier to make than soft tofu stew.
The foundation of any great dish is perfect preparation. Let's start by prepping our main lead and the supporting cast. Our supporting cast is ready to shine. These shiitake mushrooms will hot carry umami. First, remove the tough stems. Now, slice them into thin, half-centimeter pieces. Perfect. This releases all that savory flavor. Ready for the recipe?
Half an onion, which provides natural sweetness, should be thinly sliced. For that spicy kick, finely chop 2 Korean green chilies. Set them aside. With this sauce, the game is already over. Grab a bowl and mix these ingredients in the golden ratio. First the red spices, then the green herbs. Stir it all together. The magic is happening. Perfect. The golden ratio.
Let's start our special sauce mix. First, the soy sauce for umami. Now, gochujang for a deep, rich broth.
Chili powder and garum to remove any raw smell.
Adjusting consistency, pour in 1 cup of water, 200 ml. And now, mix thoroughly so all the flavors meld together. Perfect. We're ready for the next step. Now that the cast and the script are ready, it's time to set the stage in a shallow pot. This builds up the flavors, a perfect base for our sauce. Laying the base, spread the sliced onions evenly at the bottom of the pot. Use your paws to push them from the center outwards. Make sure they form a nice, even layer. Perfect. The mushroom blanket, spread the sliced shiitake mushrooms evenly over the onions. Use your paws to cover the onions completely, just like this. Perfect. Now it's ready for the next step.
Finish it off with the chopped green chilies as the cherry on top.
Simmer with the lid on for exactly 5 minutes. Time's up. Perfect simmer. After 5 minutes, open the lid. The sauce should be slightly thickened and perfect for mixing with rice. Depending on your stove's heat, you can simmer for an extra minute with the lid open.
Once it's reduced, sprinkle some finely chopped chives for a vibrant finish. Watch this. A vibrant, fresh finish. Bon appetit! How was that? The spicy, umami-packed braised soft tofu, a top serving this on your dinner table tonight. As a senior writer, I personally guarantee your family will finish their bowls in no time. Wait, my apologies. As a writer, I focus so much on the script that I almost forgot the most important, casting, Bori! To make your grocery shopping easier, here are the leads, supporting actors, and magic sauce ingredients all organized for you.
Welcome to the Braised Soft Tofu casting ball! Wow, soft tofu! Say, Katurnu. Soft tofu!
Welcome to my kitchen. Let's make the magic sauce.
First, soy sauce, gochujang, and chili powder. Now add mirin, garlic, and beef dashi. Sesame oil and water complete the mix.
Ratings guaranteed.
Screenshot this list and head to the market. Once you have everything, just follow the script. Tonight's dinner is officially booked by this braised soft tofu. And cut!